Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change font style in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to change your font style, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for this option. Tap on it, and here you must have to look for font size or style option. And here's that. You must have to tap on it and then select font style. And from here you can easily change your font style. Here are some different fonts, but if you want to get new font you must have to tap on download fonts, and you will get different fonts here. You must have to select the font which you want to download. As for example, I'm going to download the first one. Just tap on it, then tap on install option, and here it will start downloading. So you must have to wait for its downloading, and after that you can apply it on your phone. Once the font has been downloaded, just tap on apply option, and you can see that our phone's font has been successfully changed. So that's how you can easily change your font style in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.